Finding the courage to change. Better to give. In Western society, we are familiar with the idea that it is better to give than to receive. However, that sometimes seems trite or counterintuitive. I taught the art of Aikido to children and adults for a number of years. I love that teaching moment when I see the light come on for the student. I love watching them move with new confidence and grace. Helping others and knowing that I've made a difference in someone's life is an amazing feeling. But there's a bonus that is even better than that good feeling. Whatever I give to my students, I receive back tenfold. When I bring my energy and attention to the class, they give energy back to me. Even when I was physically ill or injured, I always felt better after teaching than when I started. And a room full of lively 4-year-olds is the best energy drink in the world. They would leave tired and happy. I would leave energized and buzzing. Questions from my students taught me more than my teachers. One time, a student asked a great question, and I really didn't know the answer. I opened my mouth and inhaled, ready to say, "I don't know." And on the in-breath, I was simply enlightened. The answer fell into my mind, and I was able to articulate it and understand it. Even as I was demonstrating, part of me was standing aside in awe. It is far better to give than to receive. Because when I give, I always receive.